Are you planning to become a fashion designer and want to work in top fashion industries from all over the world, especially in European countries, like brands like H&M, Levi's, Lacoste, Armani? So there are so many huge industries in fashion designing. So if you want to fulfill your dream and want to become a successful fashion designer and entrepreneur of fashion industry, so why to choose Italy? Just because top ranking universities of Italy, the fashion capital Milan, Italy. You'll be very happy to know that you can get fully funded scholarship with admission if you want to pursue your fashion studies from top ranking universities of the world. Like you can pursue your studies from the universities like University of Sapienza, Rome, Politechnic di Milan, fashion capital Milan. Apart from this, University of Bologna, which provides you fully funded scholarship with admission for fashion studies, right? The scholarship will cover zero tuition fees for entire degree program, in which you have nothing to pay to the university for your fashion studies. Alright. Apart from this, you will get hostel and accommodation facilities in university campus. Apart from this, capital city in Milan, any residence you can find. Apart from this, you will get stipend of your 5,200. If you will convert this currency into rupees, you will get 4.5 lakh rupees per annum. For your living expenses, like you can spend this particular amount in your food and accommodation as well. Apart from scholarship, which is Erasmus process, which is called as International Student Exchange Program. In this particular program, let's suppose if you are pursuing your fashion studies from University of Sapienza, so you can do your internship from any Schengen nation or from all over the world. Like you can pursue your second semester from university in Germany as well. You will get dual degree from Germany and Italy as well. So you will get international exposure to find your career opportunities to work in entire world. Moreover, you will get admission in Italian universities or any European countries. So you will get Schengen visa. Schengen visa means it is a part of 27 countries, which means European Union. Like if you will get a Schengen visa, you can travel and explore 27 countries in Europe like Italy, Germany, France, Slovakia, Slovenia, Austria, Czech Republic. There are so many countries in European Union. So this is additional benefits you can get if you want to travel the world, if you want to explore the world internationally, right? So you will get benefits of visa as well. So what are the eligibility requirements and criteria for getting admission with fully funded scholarship with admission in top Italian universities for your fashion studies? So let's see. If you want to pursue your bachelor's in fashion studies, so your academic background should be arts, commerce or fashion relevant field. And the English requirements are B2 level. It means IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge English Test or Trinity College London certification. Apart from this, TOEIC. Moreover, you can use medium of instruction is English certificate, which is called as MOI. If your entire degree program or your previous academic background is entirely taught in English, so you can use English proficiency certificate, which is called as medium of instruction certificate as well. Moreover, if you want to pursue your master's studies, so your academic background should be fashion, arts, architecture, music, media and communication, sociology, marketing and textile engineering. And English requirements are B2 level, IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge English Test, Trinity College London certification, TOEIC. Also, medium of instruction is English certificate you can use for your English proficiency, right? Apart from this, sometimes it happens university conducts interview to check your eligibility requirements or also your academic qualifications. They conduct interview on Skype online. So you also have to appear for an interview to qualify for taking admission in world's top ranking universities of Italy, Europe for your fashion studies. Expenses to study fashion in Italy, Europe versus India. The basic expenses to study in Italy versus India. So if you'll pursue your fashion studies from Italy in public universities, top ranking universities in Italy, which is world's top ranking universities, so you have to pay around euro 1200 to euro 2000, which is annual fee, right? Also, you can get fully funded scholarship based admission in which zero tuition fees for entire duration of program. You have nothing to pay to the university. Also, you will get stipend of 4.5 lakh rupees per annum for your living expenses, for your food and accommodation also. University will provide you hostel and accommodation if you got fully funded scholarship as well. If in case you got scholarship, so you have nothing to pay. Your entire study will be completely free. Versus India, if you talk about India, so there are lots of fashion designing institutes and colleges like Voj Institute of Art and Design, Pearl Academy Bangalore, NIFT Delhi, National Institute of Fashion Technology Mumbai. So minimum expenses that here you can see 95,580 to 1,77,000 per annum. This is your annual fee if you study in India. So you can compare Italy versus India, which is best for you, right? If you study in Italy, so you can get fully funded scholarship and you can get an opportunity to study in top ranking universities of Italy, Europe. Also, there are lots of career opportunities in multinational companies from Europe and entire world. If you talk about India, there is less opportunity, less international opportunity. Okay, so you can decide and opt best option which is suitable for you. Alright. Thank you so much for watching my video. We'll create more videos on this channel and provide updated information. So thank you so much.